Alright, so today's project, I gotta build an engine cross member that comes across this. I've kind of bent it up. That's what I gotta bend and build. It's gonna set in there something like that. So now I just gotta cut it out of some 2x2 square tube and make it fit. Alright, so we figured all these angles out. They're basically a 40-degree angle, so we're halving it, getting them 20s. And hopefully it'll look like this when we get this done. Gotta be the short side, right? I cut it wrong. I cut it wrong. I cut it backwards. Failure number one. It needs to be like that. I cut the angle wrong. Disaster averted, sorta. I like it. Weld it up. We're gonna notch this so that it fits up to the frame. That's how I designed it in the brain. So we're gonna see if we can make it work halfway through that. Like so. Hopefully that'll work. Grinding on this side and there. Alright. That air compressor's not so happy. Tired? It's getting tired. I like it. Hot spot. I think I'm going to put that right there is really close. I may put a piece of pipe in this just to give it some clearance. Oh, I gotta have that up pretty tight. There it is. Here's the finished product on the crossmember. Turned out pretty good. I had to put a little dill in it for the oil pan. Turned out. And then we got the front one. I had to move it up. There's going to be some flat plate that ties in here on the whole side of the frame, so should be good. We'll see. I got to cut those cats off because they're in the way. Shouldn't affect anything because the O2 sensor is before it. My link bars are going to tie in. I got to cut this part off and rebuild the whole transmission crossmember and move it back like 8 inches. So I guess I'll get after it. So here's the tranny crossmember. It's got a little dip in it for the transfer case, and I think I got all the angles right. We'll tack it together and see how it fits.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I got it built. All the angles are right. Now I just got to slide it up in the frame and weld it in and then make the transmission mount on it. So a few more times in and out, we'll have it. This is what the tranny crossmember looks like up in there. Little dip for the transfer case. Now I have to connect from the mount back to there, make something, little skid plate and a mount. But that's the overall gist of it. Should be pretty good. Should be bolted in. I think I'll take and build something off the inside of the frame right here that comes down and ties into the top. But I gotta see where my link ties in first. The finished product on the trans crossmember. Turned out pretty okay. I think it's gonna work. Alright, so we got a lot of stuff accomplished today. All the crossmembers are in. We're ready for a front end. So I guess we'll get a front end built next. Okay, so what have we got here?
My go-kart that I built.
This kid built this go-kart. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. He cut the front end off of some random four-wheeler thing he had. He's got a school chair for a seat. He's got the little motor off of the same quad as the front end. He's got the rear end off of it. He's welded together. Chain appears to be fairly straight. And he's going to test drive it. Let's see it. Choke it. Now take the choke off. There, just take it off. There you go. You're gonna have to give it gas probably. There you go. He hasn't got the throttle pedal all figured out yet. Alright, so we got it running. There's no brakes. It looks a little squirrely. It looks a lot squirrely. I don't think it's gonna make the hill. We're gonna have to work on a throttle pedal evidently. Oh, he's going on the neighbors. There's some bumps. The steering's a little, I'm gonna have to help him on that a little bit. The caster camber's way off. But it runs.